check it out. Cleaning carpet. Taking that residue off from the do-it-yourself machine that they've used. That's all residue right here. And what this tool does is our cleaner reactivates that soap, because we're not using soap, we're using a detergent. And that tool rinses all of that away with the correct pH to neutralize all of the carpet so it doesn't leave a residue. And that's what one of the biggest differences is between a certified and non-certified company, is knowing the proper products to use to make sure that this carpet stays clean for a really long time. And that's why we're here, to make the difference that they couldn't. So another big living room done.